Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download the Analiti app on Fire TV. So let's go. Now hop onto the search bar. You can find it under Find and you just have it right there. You have this keyboard that loads up when you open the search bar. On that keyboard, I'm going to type in Analiti, Analiti. So down below you find Analiti. Click on it and there you have it. So click on the app and you're in. Now you can find the download button here. Clicking OK, navigate to the download button and click OK to begin your download. Now immediately click OK, it's going to load up and you'll be able to install this application directly to your app library. All you need to do at this point is to get the app, and you do that with the OK, get free to download. Now give it a couple of seconds. It may take you almost a minute if your internet connection is not as good. So just be patient as the page load, and after the download complete, just sit back and relax. It is going to install automatically, and when the installation process is done, you have the app ready to launch. So on the screen where you find the download button, you could just wait, and you see an open app button that will launch the application right away. Alternatively, you could wait at a later time and access this app on your app library. It's a win-win. So if you found value in this one, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content like this.